Aramid fibers are considered first generation of high performance fibers. In this video, we will discuss about what are aramids, difference between aliphatic and aromatic aramids, homopolymer and copolymer aramids. Aramids were introduced in the market in 1960 with the launch of Nomex by DuPont. Nomex is a meta-aramid fiber. In 1971, DuPont introduced Kevlar fiber, whereas Tygen introduced Tavaron, a meta-aramid fiber, in 1980s. Since these fibers have superior properties and these properties originate from their structure, these fibers are reported to have highly crystalline, fibrillar, and skin core characteristics in their structures. So what are aramids? Aramids are basically aromatic polyamides, and according to the definition of United States Federal Trade Commission, a manufactured fiber in which the fiber forming substance is a long chain synthetic polyamide in which at least 85% of amide linkages are attached directly to two aromatic rings. According to this definition, in aramid fibers, 85% of the amide linkages should be attached directly to aromatic rings of the polymer chain. Aromatic polyamides are different from their aliphatic polyamides because aliphatic polyamides, which are commonly known as nylon 6 and nylon 6,6, have inferior properties than aromatic polyamides. Aliphatic polyamides melt at temperatures below 300 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, aromatic polyamides, either they do not melt because they decompose before their melting temperature is reached, or they melt at very high temperatures. Aromatic character gives high chemical resistance and low flammability to these fibers. The structural differences of aliphatic polyamides as well as aromatic polyamides are shown in this image. Here we can see that the structure of aliphatic polyamide is amorphous, whereas the structure of aromatic polyamide is highly crystalline. Aramids can be prepared by the reaction of aromatic diamines with aromatic diacid colloids in an amide solvent. The reaction is known as polycondensation polymerization reaction. In polycondensation polymerization, two monomers react together and a small molecule is liberated within the reaction. This small molecule is usually HCl or H2O or carbon dioxide. A variety of aromatic polymers and copolymers have been reported in literature and in patents. Simple AB type homopolymers can be synthesized according to the reaction scheme shown here in the slide, where A is amine functional group and B is carboxylic functional group. Similarly, AABB type aromatic polyamides can be prepared from various aromatic diamines and diacids or diacid colloids. As we have discussed earlier, Nomex was the first aramid fiber that was introduced by DuPont. Nomex contains meta-oriented linkages in its structure. Later on, DuPont introduced Kevlar fibers. In Kevlar fibers, amide functional groups are linked to the benzene rings at para positions. Therefore, these polymers are known as para-aromatic polyamides. There are several types of aromatic polyamides that has been reported in literature and in patents. However, three of them have gained commercial importance. Two of them are homopolymers, polymetaphenylene isophenylamide, or it is known as Nomex, and polyparaphenylene terephthalamide, which is known as Kevlar. The other one is copolymer, that is copolyparaphenylene 3,4-diphenyl ether terephthalamide, which is known by its trade name Technora. In the next videos, we will discuss these fibers one by one.